I'm Dennis Quaid. As diets shift and the world continues to change, the agriculture industry has to follow suit in order to provide sustainable, organic food sources for a growing population. New and innovative techniques are being employed in order to meet this need, as you're about to see.
Due to the increasing effects of climate change, urbanization, and less land for farming, agriculture is undoubtedly an ever-urgent subject. New technology and evolving methods are being explored to ensure sustainable crop yields in the future, with the aeroponics growing system offering a promising solution.
Aeroponics is a unique method of cultivation. It's based in the study of hydroponics, in which the nutrients for the plant are dissolved into water. Aeroponics takes that one step further. We don't use any substrate. The roots of our plants hang freely inside an enclosure. We then mist them with this specialized nutrient solution. Because there's nothing in between us and the plant, we have complete control over the total system. We control to the microgram how much nutrition the plants get. We control all environmental characteristics, and we're able to monitor the entire plant, not just the canopy of the plant, but the root zone as well, in order to ensure that the plant is maximally healthy. The living system always has variables, and it requires a living response. So we use a variety of different microorganisms in our nutrient supply. We use a number of different beneficial insects in order to help balance the ecosystem. And that's the most important thing, is balance. Aeroponics is a difficult system to master. It can go wrong very quickly and easily if your system is designed improperly, or if you make the wrong assumptions about your control over that system. So the only way to really do it is to learn, to do it again and again, get it wrong, get it right, but keep doing it until eventually you find that formula for success.
The idea that plants can grow just fine without soil and hardly any water may seem downright absurd to some. But aeroponics is so effective that plants grown aeroponically often outperform their counterparts grown in either soil or water.
There are a huge array of benefits to aeroponics. We're able to grow a clean product. We don't bring any additional contaminants into our facility. Because of all of the control that we have, we're able to create a consistent product. But the benefits do go beyond that, and we truly believe that aeroponics is the agricultural method of the future. We can create a nearly closed system. All of the water that we use is reclaimed by our HVAC units and can be recycled back into the plant itself, which means that we're able to operate very efficiently. We don't use any soil. All other cultivation methods use a material that has to be discarded or remediated in order to be used again. Our system can simply be cleaned and put back into service. Often we can accomplish this on the same day or the next day from a harvest. So if we were to design this system to grow pineapples, it would look fundamentally different than it does to grow cannabis. And I think that's why more people haven't adopted aeroponics. It's not as easy or as simple as simply growing a plant in a pot with a given substrate. Most plants will be able to survive in that environment. For us, though, there's a lot more complexity to it, and so we have to approach each of these problems with a great deal of analytics and scientific understanding, and over time we will develop more applications.
We're glad you could join us today. I'm Dennis Quaid. See you next time.